So in 2019, that's the year when I started my university, I became obsessed with this idea of making money online. So I kept on searching online for means and ways to make money online. And at one point, I came across this mobile application which claimed to pay people for absolutely doing nothing. I mean, literally doing nothing. So in this video, I'm going to show you my results with this mobile application. I'm going to walk you through how to install this mobile application and how you can start earning money with this mobile application for absolutely doing nothing. You don't need to do a thing. Before we start, I just want to make one thing clear. You should not think of this mobile application as something that can make you rich. I just felt that if this mobile application can help you make $1 or $2, why not share it with you? So that's the main reason why I'm making this video. So with that said, let's get started. The name of the mobile app I'm talking about is MCMoney. So when you come to their website, cm.com, you will find that they are saying that earn money for receiving text messages. So how this mobile application works is that you are going to download and install the mobile application from their website. Then once you install the application, you just need to register with your phone number. So what will happen is that you are going to be receiving random messages from time to time. Every time you receive a text message, you are going to get paid for it. So this application says that the main reason why they pay people just to receive text messages is that you are helping them improve messaging systems. It's more like it's a company which works on messaging systems. So you are providing your number, that way whenever they send you a text message, they can see if their systems are working properly. So for that reason, they are willing to pay you to just receive text messages. So when you come on the home page of their website, when you scroll down, you can see that there are just few steps needed for you to start making money with this mobile application. So all what you need to do is to download the mobile application, then you need to install the mobile app. After that, you need to register your phone number. Once your phone number is registered and verified, you'll be able to receive text messages, and in exchange you are going to get paid for every message you receive. Now that you know how this mobile app works, let me go to my phone so that I can show you how much I've been able to earn with this mobile application and how it looks inside. So you just need to come and open the mobile application. It looks like this one, MCMoney. You just need to open it. You will not be able to find it on Play Store. You need to download it from their website. It's not available on Play Store. You need to go to their website and download it. Once you have downloaded it and installed it on your phone, you just need to come and press on it to open it. So you can see over here that my balance is $1.89, and you can see that there are two options. There is cash out and donate. So if you want to donate your money, you just need to come and press on donate. But if you want to withdraw this money, you just need to come and press on cash out. Then here, all what you need to do is to provide your PayPal email address. Once you input your PayPal email address, you just need to come and press on cash out. Then you'll be able to receive the money on your PayPal account. So I just need to go back, and when I come over here, I want to show you like my past earnings. When I press on earnings, you can see that recently I withdrew $2.21 to my PayPal account. So I was able to withdraw this money. It only took about 2 days before the money reached my PayPal account. So it does work, it does pay out. Like every time when you receive a text message, you are going to be paid. And it pays around 0.013 per message. Every time you receive a text message, you are going to be paid, like your balance is going to increase by 0.013. And once you reach $1, like once you have accumulated about $1 in your account, you can be able to withdraw it to your PayPal account. One more thing that you need to do is to come over here, then you need to come and press on account. Then you can see over here that the status is on. So when I turn it off, then I will not be able to receive the text messages. And when I turn it on, I'll be able to receive the text on my phone. And you can come where it says availability and press on it. Then here you just need to choose which days you want to be receiving the text messages. You can see that I've opened all of them, like it is 24/7, like I've allowed it, I can receive a message at any time of the day, at any day of the week. This is all what you need to do once you have installed the mobile application. Is just to come here and enter your phone number. You don't even need to register your name. All what you need is to register your phone number, then you'll be able to earn money using this mobile application. So this is how you can make money absolutely doing nothing using this mobile application. You have seen that you want to be able to make that much money using this mobile app, or neither will you be able to get rich using this mobile app. But I just shared in case if there might be some of you who might be interested. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it was, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos just like this one, like where I share with you means and ways to make money online, please make sure that you stay subscribed to my channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.